Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the e-classes now. Today we'll do geography. Lesson 2. Physical features of India. Physical features means the various type of lands we have at present. There are 6 points. Number 1, India is a vast country. Vast means very big. 7th largest country in the world. Vast country with varied means different types. Varieties of landforms. Landform means the shape of the land. So our country is very vast. We have various type of lands we can find over here, that is physical features. Number 2, our country has practically means almost all major physical features, all types of land of the earth found in the earth, such as, that is, mountains. Mountains are found all over the world. Plains are also found all over the world. Deserts are also found all over the world. Most of the continents we have deserts. Plateau regions are also there. Islands are also there. But all these things are not found in one place, at one place. Rarely we can find. And India is that country. India is a country where all these major physical features of the world are found in one place. This shows that we are very lucky to have all these type of lands in our country. High snow-capped mountains. We have deserts also. Thick forested areas. We have dry semi-arid areas also. We have plateau regions and plains. We have coastal regions. We have island groups. So you can see there. Number 3, how these physical features, how these formation of different varieties of land, how these physical features have been formed, how it is formed, and that too in one place in our country. So in India we find different types of rocks. In India we find various types of rocks. So many types. Hard rocks, soft rocks. Many of the rocks are used for potteries, for making china clay, for making talcum powders, and some of the stones, various type of rocks that are used as marbles for construction and for decoration and for sculptures, for building houses, sandstones. We can see that in India we find different types of rocks. Various types of soils, red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, so sandy soil, all types of rocks, various types of rocks, soils. Have you ever thought, we have studied various types of rocks. Have you ever thought any time about the causes of these variations? Variation means differences. What makes it so different? Why rocks are of different colors, rocks are of different hardness and softness, why some of the rocks are very heavy and some are quite light. What causes these variations? We have hardly thought about it. Most of these differences are caused by differences in rock formations, how rocks are formed. And time also is very important factor here. So how these differences are caused, or types of differences in rock formations, soils, color of the soil, as well as the quality of the rocks, these differences are caused in the rock formations. When rocks are formed, Here I have told you already, the time factor is also very, very important. Now we'll continue this. All these differences in rocks and soils are due to the differences in rock formations. Now we'll talk about India's landmass. India's landmass area formed during different geological periods. You see that periods, time factor is so important. We have northern plains, we have mountains, we have plateau regions. These are formed not at once, they were formed in different periods, different geological periods they are formed. So you can see there, geological means earth, the land which was formed. These different periods which has influenced her relief. Her means India's relief. Her means represents India, because India always, the country is always in the feminine. They are regarded as feminine. So which has influenced her relief. Relief means land. India has various type of lands. You can say major physical features, mountains, how they are formed, plains, how these northern Indian plains are formed, deserts, plateau regions and islands. So which has influenced her relief, land. It is due to various geological periods. These lands and physical features are formed during different geological periods. Number 6, besides these geological formations, besides this time, there are other factors or other processes that help to form this land present, such as weathering. Have you heard this word weathering in your previous classes? Weathering, what is the meaning of weathering? Let me explain the word weathering. When you build a house, suppose our school building, it's new, so it's very hard. But after 50 years, after 100 years, if you just rub your hand on the wall, the sand will start falling due to heat, the air, temperature and the air, heat and cold make this wall very soft and the outer portion starts falling. You must have seen the old houses, old buildings. There if you touch, you will find the bricks, the color of the bricks coming over here like mud. If you touch the old building, the wall, the sand starts falling. That's called weathering. Time factor is also there. When it is new, it becomes hard. As it grows older, then it becomes soft. Then it falls down. That's called weathering. It happens to the rock also. After millions of years, the rock starts weathering. That's how sands are formed, soils are formed. So, besides geological formation, different periods, land are formed, our physical feature has been formed at different geological periods. There are other processes such as weathering. As I have told you, weathering means the falling outer surface of the rocks or the bottom. Weathering, erosion, you know it, you have learned in your previous class. Erosion means when the soil or the sand or the soil is washed away by the water or it is blown away by the wind, that is called erosion. Weathering, erosion and deposition. The soil will be washed and deposited in a low land by water. That's called deposition. When the wind blows, the dust will blow. Fine particles will blow and settle somewhere else. That's called deposition. So, such as weathering, erosion and deposition. These are other processes, natural processes. They have created, made, create means made. They have created and modified, changed the shape and size of the landform. Created and modified the relief, the land to its present form where we live. So, millions of years ago, India's shape and size was not like this. It was quite different. So, we'll talk about it in our next class. It's quite interesting. I will explain in detail later on. So, now here there are 6 points. You can take the screenshot and go through it while you are offline, and read the book as well. Lesson 2, Physical Feature of India. Read it at home also, and while I am explaining, listen carefully. Many of the terms you have to explain. So that's all for today, and I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies. Don't waste your time at home. Invest your time in your studies and doing work. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.